Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we are coloring 2D shapes: star, pentagon, square, triangle, circle, and the last one is trapezoid. First we are using blue color, and now we paint star, the shape of star. Kids, the next one is pentagon. Now we are coloring pentagon. Kids, now we are using yellow color. And now we are coloring square. The shape of square. Now we are coloring triangle. The next one is circle. Now we are using green color. Kids, now we are mixing and using the color of green. Subscribe to our channel. The last one is trapezoid, the shape of trapezoid. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.